Naglagirin. 2 points. Pero naman na. Hindi lang po nalaman. Opo. Maka naman yan.
Nagawara-wara lang po, pero mabalik man.
Number 11. 12 machine. 10 on the shot clock. Number 11. Third number. 2-0 naman na. 2-0. Okay, namin nasa kay Girit. Naglagirin. 2 points. 4-0. 4-0. Pabalik mo pinay. Left to shoot. 10. Turnover. 4-0. What is good? 4-0. Lamang pa Halati. Pero dari ko positive na first half. Ano na? Again, but there's a whistle again. Foul on number 8. Hit. Ay, what na yun? 5-0. 5-0. Again, rebound, kickball. The score is 5-0. 5-0. Valbuena goes over. Yeah. Foul number 6 again. 3-team foul. Foul 2. Duazo. Sa ilalim again. Rebound. Inira na naman. Ugod na naman. Naribang pa rin. Grabe. Pinasa kay Valbuena with a late shot. Negative, but there's a whistle again. Foul number 91. Offensive foul, Valbuena. Jersey number 92. Offensive foul. Baliwan na ito, baliwan. Nasurok siya.
Maganda yan. Ay, may highlight. Kanina mo yun? Saan yun, sir?
Ano ni? Bibo na yun?
Bibo lang yun.
Hello, wala na. Negative, rebound point. Oh, 5-0. Valbuena pinasa, tinira, yes, 2 points. 7-0. Negative, rebound point, Valbuena na naman ang mamadali. Pinasa kay Girit. Intercepted by number 21. Number 11 will make. Wow, 2 points. 7-2. 7-2. Lamang 5 ang Balatim. 10. 8. 5. 7-4. And of 4 minutes, another 5 of team. Another 5.
Shout out ka Rep Romero.
7-4.
Janito Doctolero.
7-4. Lamang
Thank you, Janito, for watching.
Bala.
Baka nang pinisan ng MBT dito sa Bala Court. Nakakana po yun na Sunyang Bowlers against JK Gas Training.
4-4 lang.
Shoutout kan pre kan buds ada katakin mo. From Robert, pare Robert. Thank you, pre. Oliva.
Ah, sa Agawad.
Gawad.
Hello. Score is 7-4, laman tulo. Ang team bala. Number 00, Cervantes Pinaso sa kampi niya na binawan mo na number 7, pinasa kay Bala. Bala kayo nakita ka ng bola, pinasa ka number 7. Jump ball, safe ball. Mula sa team bala, mula sa team bala. Team bala po, team bala po. Sayang, lumuwa. Team Charo. Number 29. Again, but there's a whistle from number 31. Atibag. Ito. Number 27, lays it up and lays it in. His score is 7-6. Pusat na lang naman sa team bala. Francisco de la Cruz. Okay, balik kay Francisco. Inside pass to Bala, intercepted by number 31. Pinasa kay Cervantes. Cervantes yan. No, Albaw. Abaw rather again. Great. Intercepted by number 31. Gibara. Oh, turnover. His score is 7-6. Lamang gyapon ng team Bala. Nice pass. 2 points. Score is 9-6. 9-6. Lamang tulog. At team Bala. Ati Bagos. Grabe man. 2 points. 9-8. Bala guarded by Cervantes. Pass to Francisco. So yung bola na ngayon. The shield. 10 on the shot clock. 10 seconds to shield.
Shoutout sa
Score is 9-8. Lamang Quiapo ng team Bala. Bala na again.
Doctorero.
Cervantes lays it up again. Rebound by Cervantes. Pinasa kay number 31. Nakita ka na muna ng umay ni number 27. Nagpapagod pinasa kay number 5. Balik kay number 27. Oh, 29. Rather again. Bala pa rin. Again. Last 55 seconds. Francisco to De La Cruz. Hala. Turnover. His score is 9-8. Lamang Quiapo ng team Bala sa kasad. Last 35 seconds. 30 seconds. 12 on the shot clock. High ball. And there is a traveling violation, last 19 seconds. Well, to shoot. De La Cruz! Ayan yan ba? 4 seconds. Shot is basket, end of 4 minutes, another point, the score is 10-9, lamang usad ang Sunyang. Lamang usad ang Sunyang. Change point. Ano yung rival team? Batuhan na po sabi. Parang yan.
Confusion pati yan. Ano yun?
Dako. Dako po. Lamang ko sa ang Sunyang. Bang! 3 points! Apat na ang kalamangan. Oh. Number 26. Baguio wins. Pinasa ka number 10. Number 26. Pinalibang. So number 23. Bungabong. Yes, 2 points. The score is 15-9. Anim ang kalamangan. Same ball. Shot clock for 3 negative. Rebound by number 11. Pinasang finish. Lamang Gunomang Sunyang number 23 Bumungabong. 2 points. The score is 11-15. Lamang upat ang Sunyang. Number 26, Malzahn 14 on the shot clock. Nakawala, may sinap, and right, Zillian score is 17-11. Anim ang lamang. Ang Team Sunyang. Baguio. Hala. Number 11, aba. 19-11. Walo lamang yung walo. 19-11. Ang Baguio. Spin. Nice block. But there's a whistle. Foul on number 8. Hit 2 shots. The score is 11-19. Foul 2, number 11. Number 8, foul 2, number 8.
Picture.
Number 8. Foul 3, number 8. Warning for penalty. Sunyang. Baguio sa ilalim. Udak. 13-19. Anim na lang. Kalamangan ng Sunyang. Okay. Sayang, lumuwa. Lumuwa lang, lumuwa. Referee school. History 13-19. Rebound by Baguio. Nice block. Baguio pa rin. And there's a traveling. 13-19. 13-19. Again. Again. Jump ball, bulan ng timbala. Araw-araw. Amin na. Number 11. Again. 11. 2 team foul. Bola. All one. He's gonna. Niligid yung PRD. Silok. Foul 2, number 11, 3-point foul. His score is 13-19. Same ball, last 16 seconds. Nice block. Foul number 23. Good shot. First throw ni Alcobendas. Yes. The score is 20-13. Ito ang lamang sa Sunyang. Grabe. 5, 4, 3 seconds. 3 seconds. 2. And the first quarter